How to make custom folder icon on Windows. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make custom folder icon on your Windows. For that, first of all, locate the folder that you'd like to create custom folder icon. Once you locate the folder, you need to right click on it, and from this drop down menu, you need to select Properties. Once you click on Properties, you will see this Properties dialog box. Here you need to click on this Customize option at the right side, and once you do so, here you can click on this Change icon, and now from this list you can choose any one of the icon you'd like to change to. Also, if you have downloaded any emails on your desktop, you can click on this Browse option right here and choose the emails that you want to use as a folder icon. If not, you can also select one of these icons available here. Once you find the icon that you'd like to change to, click on the icon and click on this OK button. You need to click on this OK button once more in this dialog box, and after that you will see you have successfully changed or made custom folder icon on your Windows. So by following these steps, you should be able to create or make custom folder icon on your Windows. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.